Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back at you guys with another dessert, and this one is a summer dessert, I guess you can say it. It's super easy to make, super quick, doesn't take a lot of time. 3 ingredients and the tastes are amazing. So let's show you guys. For this biscuit creme caramel, here we have 1 liter of milk, 3 packets of creme caramel, and here we have a whole pack of biscuits, and ours weighs 176 grams. So our first step, in a saucepan we're going to pour in all of our milk. We're going to add in the 3 packs of creme caramel. We're going to just give it a mix and then put it on heat until it boils. So we're just going to put it on heat and wait for it to boil. Now we're going to take the caramel pack that comes with the creme caramel, and we're just going to pour it at the bottom. We're adding in the second one. Just try moving it all over so that it coats the bottom surface, and we're going to set that aside. So as you can see, it started to boil. Now we're going to add in the biscuits, and of course the amount that you add depends on how much you want it to taste like biscuits. So we're going to add a lot because we want that rich taste. So we're just going to break it in there. So you're just going to try to let them sink into the bottom a little bit, and we're going to leave them for 2 to 3 minutes until the biscuit becomes soft. So we took this off the heat, and now we're just going to mix it with an electric mix so that we get a nice smooth consistency. So this is what it looks like. It's nice, smooth, and it looks super creamy. It smells amazing. So now we're going to pour it into the mold and just cover it and chill it. Now we pour this into the mold. So we poured it into our mold, and now we're just going to wait for it to become room temperature since it's still too hot. Once it becomes room temperature, just cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge to chill for a minimum of 4 to 5 hours. We're just going to let it. So this is what it looks like. It really holds its shape, and you can also see that caramel dripping to the sides. And you don't really need to decorate it using caramel. You can decorate it with anything you want, almonds, fruit, whatever you want. So I'll cut slice and get back to you guys. So we got a big slice, and as you can see, it's firm. It really holds its shape, and it cuts easily. The flavors are amazing, basically. You taste the biscuit, of course, and I think that's what I like the most, that flavor of biscuit. And this actually reminds me of the banana dessert I made a few weeks ago, except for this one doesn't have the banana, and it's amazing. Highly recommend trying it because it's this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, Discord, and TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.